Accessing items in collections.OrderedDict by index. Let's say I have the following code. Is there a way I can access the items in a numbered manner, like
If it's in OrderedDict, you can easily access the elements by indexing by getting the tuples of key, value, pairs as follows. Note for Python 3.x. Dict.items would return an iterable dict view object rather than a list. We need to wrap the call onto a list in order to make the indexing possible.
Do you have to use an ordereddictionary, or do you specifically want a map-like type that's ordered in some way with fast positional indexing? If the latter, then consider one of Python's many sorted dict types, which orders key-value pairs based on key sort order. Some implementations also support fast indexing. For example, the Sorted Containers project has a sorteddict type for just this purpose.
Here is a special case if you want the first entry, or close to it, in an ordereddict, without creating a list. This has been updated to Python 3. The first time you say next, it really means first. In my informal test, next ordereddictionary.items, with a small ordereddict is only a tiny bit faster than items, 0. With an ordereddict of 10,000 entries, next orderedictionary.items was about 200 times faster than items, 0. But if you save the items list once and then use the list a lot, that could be faster. Or if you repeatedly create an items iterator and step through it to the position you want, that could be slower.
It is dramatically more efficient to use indexed.OrderedDict from the index package. Following Nicholas's comment, I have done a benchmark on ordereddict and indexed.OrderedDict with 1000 entries. Indexed.OrderedDict is 100 times faster in indexing elements at specific position in the specific case. Other solutions listed require an extra step. Indexed.OrderedDict is a drop-in replacement for ordereddict, except it's indexable.
Histoire de tout humeur, vive et considère subscribing.